You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is b equals -1/2. Let's solve it step by step. Remove the ones. A variable's value does not change when it is multiplied by 1, so we can eliminate it. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 3/2 from both sides. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Convert the b into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Remove the ones. And so the final result is b equals -1/2.